Presenting 70mai A510 HDR 3K Dual Channel Dash Cam. The Dash Cam is featuring 6-lens, f1.8, 1944 pixel HD with WDR 140-degree wide angle that adjusts exposure and captures more detail both in darkness or strong light, producing super clear and vibrant images. 70mai Dash Cam A510 comes equipped with 2 inches IPS screen to view your recordings. f1.8 aperture 140-degree wide FOV field of view with 6 layers of lenses effectively enhances image and video brightness and reduces blind spots. With built-in advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, modern AI-powered technology designed to boost driving safety, 70mai Dash Cam A510 provides lane departure warning, forward collision warning and more to safeguard your daily trips. The 70mai official mobile app supports iOS 8.0 and Android 4.4 and above. The built-in G-sensor technology automatically saves footage in emergency events for you. Should any collision or crash happen, 70mai Dash Cam A510 auto-locks the real-time video segments and prevents them from being deleted or overwritten.